Hello and welcome back to Disabling and Prepping. I've been holding off doing this video because I've been trying to wait for somebody to help me put these on my put this on my power chair. I have received a basket for my scooter, or my power chair. Sorry, I was reading the box. And a day later, I got the second one delivered from another viewer. So I have two of them. I did get my manager today, which is the 30th or today. And it does not fit my power chair. I guess mine is too old of a model. The fiberglass bottom that makes the scooter that covers the batteries and things like that. There's a bump right where the hitch thing goes, so it won't work. Please excuse K-Bear. She's grooming. So I have two of them. They have to be returned. I am so very, very sorry to my viewers that helped me get them. We tried everything to try to get this to work. And I was really very, very grateful. I still am for the help that was offered. I will be contacting Amazon to get them returned, and the other one will probably go back to the other person since it was delivered through my Disabled and Prepping wish list. The other one I will try to contact and see about getting the money back to them. I can't tell you how thankful I was for getting these. I unfortunately did not know that it would not work on my power chair. They were supposed to, according to the company and the site, but like I said, mine's a really, really old model, and the fiberglass just got in the way, and I wasn't willing to modify the basket at all. So, alright, this was a video to let you know that I did get them. We tried very, very hard to get it to work on my power chair, and unfortunately it just doesn't work. So, thank you so much for the opportunity. Alright, everybody, stay safe, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.